Is your Pico VR headset refusing to wake up? You press the button and nothing happens. Just a black screen and total silence. Don't worry. I am going to show you exactly how to bring your headset back to life right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you get back into your virtual world without the stress. The Pico 4 and Neo 3 are fantastic devices, but they can occasionally get stuck in a deep sleep or suffer from a software hang. This usually happens because of a drained battery, a crashed background process, or a proximity sensor glitch that thinks the headset is still off your head. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Perform a forced reboot. Hold down the power button for a full 15 seconds. Even if the screen stays black, keep holding it. This cutoff command forces the hardware to restart from scratch. Step 2. Use the original power adapter. Third-party phone chargers often don't provide the specific voltage the Pico needs to jumpstart a dead battery. Plug into the official brick and wait 10 minutes before trying to power it on. Step 3. Check the proximity sensor. There is a small sensor between the lenses. If it is covered by a third-party face cover, dust, or hair, the headset may think it is not being worn and refuse to trigger the display. Step 4. Charge via a PC USB port. If your wall outlet isn't working, try plugging the headset into a high-powered USB 3.0 port on your computer. Sometimes a slow, steady data charge can wake up a stubborn battery controller. Step 5. Inspect the charging cable. Look for any sharp kinks or fraying. If the cable is damaged, the headset won't receive enough power to boot. Try a known good USB-C cable to rule this out. Step 6. Let it cool down. If you just finished a heavy gaming session, the Pico might have triggered a thermal protection shutdown. Leave it in a cool, ventilated area for 30 minutes before trying again. Step 7. Check the LED indicator light. A blinking red light means the battery is critically low. A solid blue light means it is on, but the screen might be the issue. No light at all suggests a total power failure or a dead port. Step 8. Wake it up with the volume buttons. Sometimes the power button itself is stuck. Try holding the power button and the volume plus button simultaneously for 10 seconds to enter the bootloader menu. Step 9. Clean the charging port. Use a can of compressed air or a wooden toothpick to gently remove lint from the USB-C port. A tiny bit of debris can prevent the pins from making a solid connection. Step 10. Recovery mode reset. If you see the Pico logo but it won't boot further, hold power and volume plus until the recovery menu appears. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume keys to clear any corrupt system files. Here is a pro tip for Pico 4 users. If your headset is on but the screen is black, try double tapping the side of the headset. If you have pass-through enabled, this shortcut can sometimes force the display to refresh and show you the real world, breaking the software loop. If you face any difficulty getting your Pico to turn on, please comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If these solutions saved your headset, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your VR journey isn't over yet. I am going to see you in the next one.